Hi everyone! Welcome to Explain It Smart, where we break down complex topics into simple ideas anyone can understand. What is LLM? Explain Smart, your guide to learning smarter. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of large language models, or LLMs. By the end of this video, you'll know what an LLM is, how it works, why it's so powerful, and you'll even get to test your knowledge with a fun quiz at the end. Let's get started. Imagine you're teaching a robot how to read and understand human language. You start with basics like grammar and vocabulary, and then move on to complex topics like conversation, storytelling, and answering tricky questions. That's essentially what a large language model does. It's a computer program trained on massive amounts of text to understand and generate human language. Think of it as training a toddler to talk. First, you teach them simple words, then sentences, and over time they can tell stories and hold conversations. The difference is, an LLM learns from billions of sentences at once. Let's say you're teaching someone a new language, like French. You start with common phrases like bonjour, hello, and merci, thank you. As they practice, they start forming their own sentences. LLMs do the same, but with trillions of examples from various languages. LLMs use something called deep learning. They learn patterns from a huge data set, sometimes as large as all the text on the internet. This process has three main steps. Imagine teaching a dog basic commands like sit and stay. This is the phase where the LLM learns general language skills. It's like learning the alphabet first before writing full sentences. Now, imagine training the same dog for a specific job, like being a guide dog or police dog. For LLMs, fine-tuning is where they specialize in tasks like summarizing articles or answering customer questions. Think of a chef who's great at cooking, but takes a special course to master French cuisine. When you type a question, the model predicts the most likely answer based on what it's learned. You ask, what is 5 plus 3? The LLM predicts 8. Before we continue, I'd love your support. Hit that like button if you're finding this helpful, and subscribe for more easy-to-understand explanations. Now let's dive deeper. Why are LLMs so powerful? LLMs can do amazing things like answer questions, e.g., what's the capital of France? Write stories, songs, or even code. Summarize long documents. Translate languages. Example. Imagine asking an LLM, if I have 5 apples and I buy 3 more, how many do I have? It can calculate and respond instantly, 8 apples. Additional example. Let's say you're planning a trip. You ask the LLM, what's the best time to visit Norway? It might suggest, summer is ideal for hiking and winter for seeing the northern lights. Key features. Few-shot learning. It can learn tasks with minimal examples. Zero-shot learning. It can answer questions it wasn't explicitly trained for. Scalability. The more data and parameters, the smarter the model becomes. Here are some ways LLMs are used. Customer support. Chatbots answering questions 24/7. Generating scripts, poems, or marketing copy. Healthcare. Helping doctors analyze medical data. Example. In customer support, LLMs can answer a question like, how do I reset my password? It not only provides a clear step-by-step guide, but can also suggest related solutions. Additional example. In creative writing, you could ask an LLM, write a short story about a brave astronaut, and it might generate a unique story filled with adventure. Challenges and opportunities. While LLMs are incredible, they aren't perfect. Here are some challenges. Bias: if the training data has biases, the model might too. Cost: training these models requires massive resources. Accuracy: sometimes they make confident but incorrect predictions. Opportunities: despite these challenges, LLMs are transforming industries and making technology more accessible than ever. Quiz time. Let's test your knowledge. Answer in the comments below. What does fine-tuning mean in the context of LLMs? Name one real-world application of an LLM. What is few-shot learning? Bonus: what's one question you'd like to ask an LLM? Share it below.